MyFICO Credit Repair Review Usage Experience. Welcome to this MyFICO Credit Repair Review, where I'll share my experience and provide insights to help you determine if it's the right solution for your credit needs. Links to MyFICO are provided in the description below. MyFICO is an industry leader in credit monitoring and repair, offering tools and services centered on your FICO score, the score used by 90% of lenders. Unlike traditional credit repair services that focus solely on disputing inaccuracies, MyFICO empowers users with in-depth knowledge of their credit profile while helping them improve their score through actionable insights. One of the standout features is the comprehensive credit monitoring. MyFICO provides access to all 3 credit bureau reports, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, and their respective FICO scores. This transparency is invaluable, especially if you're preparing for a major financial decision like a mortgage or car loan. Additionally, MyFICO includes real-time alerts for any significant changes, such as new accounts, hard inquiries, or updated balances, helping you stay ahead of potential credit issues. For those looking to actively repair their credit, MyFICO excels at providing tailored recommendations. The platform identifies factors negatively impacting your score and offers clear steps to address them, such as paying down balances or resolving late payments. While it doesn't directly dispute errors with the credit bureaus, it equips you with the tools and knowledge to take corrective actions effectively. MyFICO is ideal for individuals who want a deeper understanding of their credit profile and prefer a hands-on approach to credit repair. It's also perfect for those seeking to monitor their credit closely and prevent future issues. The subscription plans range in price depending on the level of access you need, but they offer excellent value given the accuracy and reliability of the FICO data provided. In conclusion, MyFICO is a top-tier solution for anyone serious about understanding, monitoring, and improving their credit score. While it's not a traditional credit repair service, its powerful tools, detailed insights, and trusted FICO score access make it a must-have for proactive credit management. For more details, check out the links in the description.